Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Infosys system engineer role started their hiring in this year for the 5th time. So 3.5 LPA package and everything they mentioned here. The privacy and personal data collected from you, candidate name, email address, phone number, date of birth, college, roll number, photograph, resume, 10th, 12th mark, diploma, graduation, and detailing background filling, everything they are mentioning here. So this is all the data they are going to collect to. So you should be ready to provide everything within a time. So I am going to explain everything fully. So watch the video till end. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section and just subscribe to my channel. And let's go to the video. First you want to click here and you just want to accept the form. It will show like this. So just want to give male or female. Your name should be there. I am giving randomly about them, then only you will move to at last and just want to upload your photo and your resume and the phone number should be there. Alternate phone number, date of birth must be there. So without date of birth you cannot do. Like that only it will show. And your citizen Indian you just want to give. Do you have passport? If you are having passport, yes give, otherwise no give. And your address and your pin code, state should be there. And your state, invalid pin code and your state, district, pin code, everything just want to give. And while after filling this only you may get a next page itself. So don't worry guys, next they will ask your undergraduate, postgraduate, everything they will mention you. So you don't worry guys, this is what the form you are going to apply here. So like this data only they will ask you about 10th and 12th diploma, graduation. If postgraduate applicable you just want to give post graduation. And everything we are mentioning here itself. Up to, if you are having any doubt while filling this data, you just contact me in the comment section. I will help you where you are stuck in. So without filling data it won't able to move to next page. We are seeing here. So everything will be mandatory things they will ask you on the simple thing only. Don't worry guys, if you are feeling unsafe, comment me in the comment section. I will provide another video about the how to fill the Infosys form also. So this is what about today's Infosys opening hire in the data engineering role. So thanks for watching this guide. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section.